me and Harley are gonna slam it on these fresh new 326 coilovers that I picked up for $1,000. It's not on. Why isn't it on? Oh no! The wheels rub on the coils. Fast forward a few days, boys, look at what I picked up. I got some fresh spacers for the S14. These are an inch spacer. This is a little bit fat, but I know for sure this will clear. This will go ahead and give us an idea of how big of a spacer we need to clear the coils. But thankfully, these 326 coils have a lot of camber adjustment, so these should work just fine. I don't care if I add camber on this car because this is gonna be the Stan's little nice car, so a little bit of camber won't hurt. Let's go ahead and slap this on. It's funny because when I first started getting into cars, I thought that spacers were really stupid and not safe at all. But the more I started working on cars, the more I realized that spacers pretty safe, and a lot of people run them surprisingly. Like professional drifters, sometimes they run up to 2 inches. That's pretty fast. So if they can do it, then us regular daily driver cars can definitely do it. So don't be scared to buy spacers just to make your Fitment look A1 steak sauce. Okay, time to test fit the wheels. Oh, dude, I don't even need to add camber, bro. Yo, look at that. That's spot on. Oh my God, that's money right there. Dude, that looks so good. I kind of want to go lower though. Dude, that looks so good already. Let's see how much of a gap. About a 3-finger gap. Should we go lower? Fuck it, time to send it. Let's go ahead and drop her about another inch so we can get that nice and hot boy spec. 326 is actually goated for this. Here, check this out. So on the standard coilovers, everything I've seen, it uses these locking collars. And so there's notches, and the spanner wrenches never want to work. It's so hard to break them loose because the locking collars will either slip or strip when you want to use it, and it rarely works. But on 326 coils, instead of the slots, they have literally holes in them. So when you use the spanner wrenches, this digs into the hole and works so much better. So props to 326 for coming up with that. I think every single coilover company should go ahead and implement this because this literally makes your job so much easier. All right, there we go. We got it lowered about 1/2 inch. Hopefully this time Fitment will be nice and money. I don't think I'm ready to drive this yet. I have never driven a static car this low, and if you guys have seen my driveway, you guys will know it's so trash. So I already know I'm gonna break something on this car. Oh my God, that is so low. Oh my God. Dude. Bro, that Fitment though. Alright boys, I got the wheel back on. Let's check the Fitment. 2-finger gap. Let's go to the rears. 2-finger gap too. Let's fucking go. We got the Fitment nice and money. I'm so excited to see what this car looks like on the ground. Even in the air, this thing looks amazing. Oh my God. Since the car's in the air already, I literally haven't changed the oil on this thing since I bought it. And so that's like almost a year of me not changing oil at all. We're gonna go ahead and do that, and the oil I'm putting in this car is gonna be 10W30. So if you're a 240 guy and you're watching this, let me know. Is that good oil to put inside a K24? If not, give me some recommendation in the comments below. All right, boys, let's try to not spill this oil everywhere. Look at that. Full oil change, no fluids on the ground. it's a fucking great day. Now it's time to finally get this car off of jack stand so that we can see how the S14 looks like slammed on the new 326 power coilovers. Okay, here we go, moment of truth. Oh my god. The bumper is on the ground. Bro, what the fuck? My bumper is on the ground. Oh my god, that's one finger. Okay, we definitely gotta raise that side a little. Or is it cause, okay, wait. Let's go ahead and take it off of that ramp because this side is tucking, so maybe the weight isn't evenly distributed. Bruh, I really need a second jack here because look, this shit is stuck again. Oh my god. Damn it. I got the ramps off of the car, but this is not okay. Oh my god, look at the front bumper. This thing is basically on the freaking ground. Oh my god, what did I just do? What did I just do? Once the spring's compressed, look at this. One finger gap, look at the rears. One finger gap, oh my god, bro. This is not okay. I'm definitely gonna fuck shit up. Bro, what the actual heck? Yeah, I don't know if I can do this. I might have to raise this up. Oh my god, this is actually insane. Fuck it, since we're already here, let's go ahead and slap on the kit and then see how she looks like. I'm guessing the side skirt's gonna be on the ground too because, dude, you see that bumper, right? That bumper is gonna get absolutely fucked if I drive this thing like this. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was. Rear bumper, plenty of clearance, side skirts. Look, if you guys look, the rears are higher than the fronts. And I think that's a common problem with 240s because all my friends' 240s are like this. So that means I'll have to raise the fronts. Man, why can't 240s be easier to work with? Because this would look so fire. Look at that fitment though. Oh my god, that's so good. But unfortunately, I'm gonna have to raise the front up by an inch because there's no way I could drive that. Ain't no way, my boy. That is not happening. So, fuck. Have to put this thing on jack stands again. Raise the front up by an inch when I already dropped it an inch, so now I gotta undo that work. Ugh, I hate cars. Changing the fitment in 3, 2, 1. Boom, we got the fitment all dialed in. This is the final suspension adjustment I did. 2 finger gap, that should be plenty of clearance. I can finally get a part of my foot under the bumper, so it should be somewhat drivable. Enough of the S14 being in the garage. Now it's time to finally pull the car out of the garage and go wash this thing because it's insanely dirty. Look at that. Bruh, just my luck. I was taking this thing out for a spin, you know, going to grab some food, and then out of nowhere, literally my cluster, the battery light lit up, and I didn't think anything of it. I'm like, oh, just 240 problems. So then I kept driving, and then thankfully I turned into a parking lot, and then this car completely shuts off. Let me go ahead and show you guys why. Let's pop the hood real quick. Look at this. The alternator belt literally snapped right off. That's the pieces right there. So the alternator was not working, so that's why the car died. And thankfully, I wasn't far away from the shop, and my boy Hanson pulled through, drove me to the parts store. We got a fresh belt right here, and I grabbed some tools, so hopefully I can swap this out right now and just go ahead and drive it back to the shop. So let's get started. I did this before. It shouldn't be that hard. This intake just gotta come off, and then I gotta take off that belt so I can reach the alternator belt. Sick ass belt, bro. Oh my god. Look at my belt, or what's remaining of it. Alright boys, I got the belt all switched out. It took hella long. It's like, what time is it, gang? 10 o'clock? 10 o'clock right now. Let's see if she starts. Battery might be dead, but we will find out. Come on. Woo! Let's fucking go! Starts right up, baby. Dude, look at that. Problem all solved. No more belt winding. If you guys have been watching the video, then you guys would know that the belt has been squealing so much, but I've just said fuck it, push it off, and I guess today it finally gave out on me. But shout out to the homies that pulled through. They picked me up, took me to go get new belts and everything, and now she's running. I'm still gonna get it towed back to my place. I don't think I want to drive it like this until I know 100% it won't break down on me. So we are currently waiting for the tow truck. I'm gonna go ahead, take off the front bumper and side skirt so that we can get on the flatbed. Hopefully he can tow us. If not, we might just have to mob it back home. I'll keep you guys updated. Quick update, so unfortunately the tow truck would not tow this car because it's too slammed and I don't want to have to drive 30 minutes home for something else to happen. So I'm gonna go ahead, just leave it at the shop for tonight. I'll come back tomorrow, dial it all in, make sure everything is good to go. And I realized that the wheels are still rubbing on the wiring harness, so I have to tuck that up as well. But for now, enjoy these gas station cinematics on my iPhone. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I'm sorry I couldn't film more cinematics for you guys and give the car a little wash, but next video I will do just that. So like always, go down below, hit the like button, and make sure you're subscribed. Until next time, peace out.